How to restore a backup in cPanel. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Go to Files section and click Backup Wizard. In the first step, Backup or Restore, click the Restore button. You have 4 options to select any one option. Let us select Home Directory. Now click Choose File. A pop-up window allows you to browse your desktop. Now select the backup file for Home Directory. Click Open. The name of the selected backup file appears here. Click the Upload button. That's it. We have successfully restored the backup of the Home Directory in cPanel.
If you want the fast and reliable hosting for your website, then the PowerHost is the best option for you.